Hello guys, hello and welcome everybody. This is Abhishek Tiwari here. Right now, I'm going to explain you students the very next thing I'm going to initiate today, which is official letters. So students, today I'm going to produce you the videos of official letters. Okay, so as on demand, there are two types of letters that has been that you have to be study, you have to study here. Okay, and these two are, the first one is official letters, okay, officials, and the second part of it is business letters. Students, so business and officials, these two we have to study right here. Okay, so let's start it now. So and see what exactly we have to study right here. Okay, so first of all, let me introduce you the official business letters here. So in which I'm going to explain you something different right here. See everyone. So guys, so first of all, let me start with you the business letters. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the business letters. Okay, so in it, first of all, let me tell you about what is business letter. Students, business letters are formal letters. Okay, when we talk about business letters, so it is nothing but formal letters. It is usually a letter from one company to another. Okay, so usually when we talk about business letters, it is a letter of one company to another, or between such organizations, or simply clients, organizations or clients and other external parties. When we talk about business letters, so it is a letter, a communication between two company to company, company to other organizations, company to client and other external parties as well. So it is sometimes useful because it produces a permanent written record. Why it is important? Because sometimes it produces a very crucial information, written records, and may be taken more seriously by the recipient than other form of communication. Okay, so these include letters of inquiry, asking of information, replying of letter received, placing orders, sending acknowledgement, cancelling orders, registering complaints, etc. So students, when we talk about such kind of letters, so it talks about many more communication methods like इंक्वायरीज और आस्किंग. अगर आपको इंक्वायरी करनी है किसी कंपनी से, किसी फर्म से, आस्किंग करनी है, इन्फॉर्मेशन लेनी है, रिप्लाइंग करनी है लेटर्स जो रिसीव्ड हुए हैं आपको, या ऑर्डर प्लेस करना है, सेंडिंग एक्नॉलेजमेंट. क्लास 10th में आपने प्लेसिंग ऑर्डर्स पढ़े होंगे. सेंडिंग एक्नॉलेजमेंट, कोई एक्नॉलेजमेंट करनी है आपको, कोई ऑर्डर कैंसिल करनी है, कोई कंप्लेन रजिस्टर करना है. सो इन सब से जुड़े हुए लेटर्स जो होते हैं वो बिजनेस लेटर्स के अंतर्गत आते हैं. दे कम्स अंडर द बिजनेस लेटर. ओके, सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द फॉर्मेट ऑफ इट. फॉर्मेट पे डिस्कस करते हैं. यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड एवरीथिंग अबाउट, बट व्हाट यू नीड इज टू नो द फॉर्मेट, द राइट फॉर्मेट, एंड टू प्रैक्टिस ओवर इट. ओके, सो when we talk about format, so this type of letter you had this is the example right here, you can see, but here example is not needed. First of all, let me tell you the entire part of it. Okay, so how the format functions. First of all, you see how you have just to write it. I'm just mentioning everything here. Okay, suppose the sender's address. Okay, what you have to write here, first at the left corner, sender's address. Okay, after writing the sender's address, after that you have to put the dates between, okay, sender and receivers. Okay, then after place the date on which you are writing the letter. Okay, then after you write the receiver's address. Okay, who is receiving this letter? You have to mention the receiver's address here. Okay, sender's address, date, receiver's address. Actually students, the format also gives some mark. ओके, एक नंबर आपको फॉर्मेट का मिलता है, सो डोंट गो अवे, फॉर्मेट को आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. इस फॉर्मेट पे ही लिखने पे आपको एक नंबर मिलेंगे, वरना वो नंबर डिडक्ट हो जाता है. देन आफ्टर स्टूडेंट्स राइट द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ इट. ओके, आफ्टर राइटिंग सब्जेक्ट राइट द सॉलिटेशन. ओके, राइट द सॉलिटेशन, बट देयर इज एन अल्टरनेटिव अरेंजमेंट. ओके, सो यू कैन राइट फर्स्ट like this. You can write salutation and then subject, or sometime you can write subject first and salutation later. Okay, when you write salutation, put a comma. After this, start writing the content of the body. So this is called the content of body. Okay, this part is called the content of body. After it, here below in the same corner, left corner, write the salutation. Okay, what? First write the salutation and subscription. Okay, subscription, you have also to write here the subscription of it. Okay, so subscription, senders, this is what entire details about writing a letter. Okay, so this is what the way in which you can write the letter to you can write a business letter. All right, hope you got this format of it. First I'm repeating again: sender's address, then date, then receiver's address, to whom you are writing, to whom you are addressing this letter. Then after subject of the letter, then date, salutation, to whom you are going to salute. Okay, dear sir, respected sir, whatever. And then after the body of the letter, the main body or the subject of the letter. After writing the subject of letter, you have to put forward beneath the body of the letter, you have to put forward the salutation or subscription. Okay, salutation or subscription. Salutation would be, okay, yours truly, yours obediently, like this. And then after the subscription will be signature. Okay, it will be signature like Abhishek Tiwari, like whatever. Okay, name, the one who is writing the letter, he would write his signature after this. Okay, this is what the method of writing a business letter. All right students, after this, after knowing the format of it, students, let's talk about, okay, let's talk about the letter exercise of it. So I am picking this example right here. Okay, example number 17, in which you are Rohan or Roshni of 125 Tribhuwan Nagar, Pune. Write a letter to Messrs M/S होता है तो उसको मेसर्स कहते हैं, अनुभा सेल्स कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड, कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट द पुअर परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ वॉशिंग मशीन. आपने वहाँ से एक वॉशिंग मशीन ख़रीदा और उसकी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी नहीं है, इट इज़ ऑफन स्टॉप्स वाइल वर्किंग. सो आप उसके लिए कंप्लेन फाइल कर रहे हैं, परचेस्ड फ्रॉम देयर शोरूम, मेंशनिंग क्लियरली द स्पेसिफिक प्रॉब्लम्स यू आर फेसिंग एंड द एक्शन यू वांट, गिव ऑल द रिलेवेंट डिटेल्स. ओके, तो ये हो गया आपका क्वेश्चन. अब इस क्वेश्चन पे स्टूडेंट्स अब हम लोग प्रैक्टिस देखेंगे, हाउ वी कैन प्रैक्टिस राइट हियर. ओके, सी एवरीवन हाउ टू प्रैक्टिस दिस business letter. Okay, so starting here, business letter starts with the sender's address. As I told you earlier, sender's address, it means like Rohan. Okay, the name who is actually writing this letter, his address 125 Tribhuwan Nagar, Pune, Maharashtra. After writing it, you have to put the date like this. In this format is very relevant nowadays. Otherwise you can also write the date like this, like 1st October, okay, 2020, like this. Or you can also write 1st October 2020, like this. So anyway you can write, but this is a very relevant method of writing, October 1st 2020. After writing the date, write the receiver's address. This is the receiver's address, Messrs Anubha Sales Corporation, Maharashtra. Okay, after writing it, then after subject of the letter is complaints for the maintenance of electric gadgets. ओके, कंप्लेंट्स फॉर द मेंटेनेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक गैजेट. आप यहाँ पे लेटर लिख रहे हैं कि आपका इलेक्ट्रिक गैजेट जो है उसकी मेंटेनेंस करवाने को लेकर आप एक कंप्लेन फाइल कर रहे हैं. दिस इज़ योर सब्जेक्ट. आफ्टर इट सॉल्यूटेशन स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ दिस इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ द सॉल्यूटेशन. डियर सर, or simply you can start with writing sir. Okay, like this. Sir, this is to bring your kind notice. Okay, you would start writing here, this is to bring your kind notice that I purchased a washing machine. Okay, now you would give the information, the detail of your commodities that you have bought. Okay, washing machine from your showroom लास्ट मंथ, मीन्स आपने लास्ट मंथ उनके शोरूम से आपने एक वॉशिंग मशीन ख़रीदा. इनिशियली इट वर्कड वेल, शुरू में तो इसने अच्छा काम किया, बट नाउ इट्स नॉट फंक्शनिंग प्रॉपरली. लेकिन अब वो ढंग से कार्य नहीं कर रहा है. एंड ऑफन इट स्टॉप्स, अक्सर ये रुक जाता है. वाइल रनिंग मतलब चलते चलते. ओके, वॉशिंग मशीन रुक जाती है. वी कंप्लेंट सेवरल टाइम्स टू कस्टमर एजेंट्स, हमने कस्टमर एजेंट्स को कई बार कॉल किया, कई बार कंप्लेन की, बट फाउंड नो हेल्दी रिस्पॉन्स, लेकिन उनकी ओर से कोई बेहतर रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिला. देयरफॉर आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू पे अटेंशन टूवर्ड्स माई कंसर्न, इसलिए मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि आप मेरी कंसर्न को अटेंशन दीजिए. आई एम होपिंग फॉर अ बेटर एंड क्विक रिस्पॉन्स. ओके, आई एम होपिंग फॉर अ बेटर एंड क्विक रिस्पॉन्स, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि अच्छा और जल्दी रिस्पॉन्स मिलेगा. आई एम अटेनिंग द बाइंग रिसिप्ट फॉर फर्दर अटैचिंग, सॉरी, आई एम अटैचिंग द बाइंग रिसिप्ट फॉर फर्दर इंक्वायरी. तो आप नीचे ये भी लिख देंगे कि मैं रेसिप्ट अटैच कर रहा हूँ जो आपको इंक्वायरी करने के काम आएगा, जिससे मैंने ख़रीदा था. ओके, then after yours truly, okay, simply you would write the complimentary notes, which means subscription. Okay, so subscription you would provide here, subscription. And then after your name, okay, Rohan, this is your this is your signature. Okay, so subscription and signature is quite important here. So you have written at the very end of this. Okay guys, so this is what all about for a business letter, a format, and all about business letters. Hope you guys like this. There are several examples which are given in your books, so you start practicing the business letters. In case you are finding any problem, you can contact me, write examples of it, and then send me vice versa. Okay, in case you are finding any problem while writing the letters, or whether you are finding any kind of problem while understanding of any question, you can put forward your queries. Okay, so this is what all about for today's explanation. Thank you. In the next lecture I would present to you the official letter. All right, thank you, have a good day.